Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix all app crash problem in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings friends, then you have to search here apps, click on apps. If your like YouTube is crashing or files by Google is crashing, WhatsApp, Facebook, any app, then you have to simply first you have to swipe up like this and you can see Google Play services. You have to first click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, then press back, select the app that is crashing all the time, like I choosing YouTube, then click on storage and cache and clear cache this, and you can clear the storage also. And it 100% working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.